I have a hair.
You do? Okay, we'll fix it when we go upstairs.
Happy birthday to you.
I want to hear you scream.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday, dear mommy.